All this doggone pollen, bro. I just cleaned this car up and now it's like covered in pollen. As you can see, it's just everywhere. It's all over the car. Bird pooped on my car. Get all that right there too. It's crazy. What's the word though, YouTube? I'm back with another video, man. I haven't done a POV in so long, so I decided, you know what, why not do one today? So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna do a POV video. Yeah. All right. Let's get this on the road. Let's get this going. This is one of the spots I like coming to a lot, just because it's so nice whenever it's nice outside to come over here. Especially because nobody's over here as well, for the most part. I mean, there's a couple cars down there, but if I go up, you know. Oh, I meant to tell you guys, or I'm gonna give you guys an update. Once I start driving for real and getting on the highway, I'll give you guys an update basically on how the car's been. You know, because I haven't done a POV in so long where I'm just sitting back and just talking about the car. That's what I used to do when I first started the channel, but I kind of got away from it. But yeah, I had it suggested somebody that I just sit back, drive, and just talk about the car, man. And I think that's just a good idea. It's good vibes. I'm so mad that this car got dirty, y'all. I literally kid you not. I just cleaned this car. Probably 2 days. Yeah, 2 days ago. That's what it was. 2 days ago. Yep, it was 2 days ago that I washed this car. Yesterday I came outside and the car was had like a slight cover in pollen, but today it kind of rained a little bit and it just made it 10 times worse. I'm so annoyed because I always try to keep this car pretty clean for the most part, but when it's dirty, man, it's just dirty. And it's mostly because it's a black car. Like, it's so hard to keep black clean because you see everything. You see every small little imperfection. It's just, yeah. It's a process, dude. But yeah, hopefully y'all been doing good, man. I've been doing great. Like I said in the last video, I'm finally out of school, so I can finally just focus on making videos. I still gotta kind of figure out how I'm gonna, like, what kind of videos I'm gonna be producing to you guys. I know now that it's summertime, there's gonna be a lot of car meets, so I'm probably gonna be giving you guys a lot of different content with that as well. I know this coming Saturday we have a car meet that is coming up that I'm gonna be shooting or recording that, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that vlog. Definitely gonna be doing POVs. I'm trying to get a GoPro here pretty soon, so try to enhance the POVs just so I can get more of them out to you guys, because I know you don't really see this type of content on the E39s too much, especially consistently at all. So, you know, definitely want to take advantage of that opportunity. yeah, now that we're moving, I can kind of talk about the car, what it's been doing, how it's been driving. Car's been great. You know, it has had some things that have kind of popped up that I'm kind of monitoring. First thing that I'm kind of monitoring, if you didn't hear whenever I was kind of pulling out of the parking garage, the car is making like a popping noise whenever I turn the wheel. It's coming from the left side, I can tell, the front left side. And it sounds like something like maybe a bushing or I don't think it's a tie rod or anything, but it sounds like a bushing or something's like moving, or something's not sitting right. So I've been kind of monitoring it because it's not consistent for some reason. You would think it'd be like a consistent thing, but it's never consistent. It always goes in and out. So I've been trying to catch it whenever it does do it, and then take it to my mechanic just so he can take a look at it, you know, and he can probably find it within. He could probably figure out the problem within 5 minutes and just be like, hey, you gotta fix this. So that's one thing that the car is doing. The other thing is, I think I need a new wheel speed sensor, because you'll probably see it in the vlog if you're paying attention, but the traction control, ABS, and the brake light come on for a second and then they come off. So I'm almost 1,000% sure that's a wheel speed sensor. Just have to replace that and we'll be straight. But yeah, other than that, the car has been driving great. It is time for me to do an oil change. I need to hurry up and get that done. It's well past due, if I'm being honest. It's way past this time where I need to get it done, so I definitely need to make a move on that. Yeah, as far as things that's going on with the car, or that's coming up with the car, so this weekend, if not this weekend, the top of next week, I will be getting the exhaust installed on the car, so that will be exciting. Definitely gonna be dropping some POV videos with that for sure, because that's just gonna be super fun. Like if you see right now, the lights are on. I'm not sure if y'all can see that, but yeah, those are on right now. That's what that problem is, a wheel speed sensor. But yeah, the exhaust is gonna come on. I'm super excited for that, man. That's just gonna be super fun. Another thing, I'm trying to decide what exactly I'm gonna do next after the exhaust. I want to lower the car really bad, but it's just a lot of other options that I can go. I have a huge list of like mods that I want to do to the car. It's just I'm trying to figure out in what order, you know. I don't want to rush this build too much, just because I know that's the new hot thing, I guess, is like building cars in like a month, or like building cars in a week, you know, that kind of thing. And I don't want to build this car too fast. I've had it for like 2 years. I've been daily driving it basically for 2 years now, and I'm just now starting to do mods on it. So, you know, I kind of want to take my time. I want to enjoy the car. Really, the biggest mod that I was looking forward to, or that I am looking forward to, is the exhaust. Just because I can just have fun, you know, with it, you know. Not that I'm already not having fun, but, you know, car guys know, you know, just getting an exhaust, man, it's just a different experience, you know, being able to hear the car, you know, and just enjoy it. But I think it's gonna start raining here. I'm seeing some sprinkles, so this might turn into a rain POV, I'm not gonna lie. It just doesn't help my case for this car, dude. Like, it's just gonna get dirty regardless, especially this time of year. If y'all know, in St. Louis, this is not the type city to come to if you enjoy nice weather, because the weather is always so bipolar. Like, one day it'll be sunshine and it's a good weather, it's hot outside, not hot outside, but it feels good outside, and then the next day is like a thunderstorm, dang near a tornado. Like, this state, man, this city, I'll say, it's just not, I I love my city, but my goodness, it doesn't, the weather is just too bipolar. Another thing that's been going on lately with Missouri is this, all this construction on these highways, man. It's like nuts. It's like everywhere you go, you can't avoid construction on the highways for some reason. It is another thing. I have a lot of small, like, cosmetic things that I need to get done for this car. Not even just cosmetics, but like functionality. Like, one thing that's really bad on this car is my wipers. My wipers are terrible. They're trash. I need to get some new ones. They were kind of just put on during the restoration process, just, you know, to kind of get me going. But yeah, I just need to replace those. They're just not good. They're trash. Another thing I need to fix, I don't know if y'all be able to see, but this garage thing right here, or this little cup thing, if y'all know, if y'all have E39s, y'all know these kind of tend to break. So I need to replace that. I need to get that fixed, because I'm tired of seeing it just look like that, and it's kind of nasty on the inside. I also need to replace the tray that's right here on the armrest. I need to replace that one. It's cracking as well. Another thing that I want to do for the interior, I want to get a new steering wheel. This one's kind of seen its days. I was not expecting that much water to be right there. That kind of scared me. But yeah, this one's kind of seen its days, if I'm being honest. It's got a little, like, couple marks right there. Leather's kind of lifting up right here. So I think it's just time for me to upgrade, you know, get a new one. And then this car needs it needs a serious detail. I need to get it, like, seriously detailed. So yeah, we got a decent amount of things that I can do over this summer. I definitely want to get an upgraded sound system. The speakers in this car are okay. You know, they're kind of just good to kind of get me by, but I do want to upgrade and, you know, get a real sound system in here. So we'll see, man. We got a lot of different options we can go. Super excited to see what this exhaust is gonna sound like. Like, I've seen videos obviously, but like, it's different hearing it in person. I think it's gonna sound super good. I just can't wait, bro. It'll probably be up, the video for it will probably be uploaded next week, even though it's probably gonna get done this weekend. So yeah, y'all probably will see that video either on Monday or either Thursday. So yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned for that. I'm probably gonna end this video here though. Hopefully y'all did enjoy, man. It has been a minute since I did a POV video, so hopefully y'all did enjoy. Appreciate y'all so much for watching. Appreciate all the new subs, all the new viewers, man, tuning into the channel. I definitely appreciate all of y'all, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned for all the new content coming out for this car, man. This summer's about to be crazy, so make sure y'all do stay tuned, especially for this build, man. It's gonna be sick. You won't want to miss it, bro. But yeah, appreciate all y'all, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.